What are you doing today? What's it? Describe a little bit about your responsibilities and the things that you're doing at the agency, if you wouldn't mind.
Yes, of course. So working with CourseCREEK, Robert, I've been working with you for, almost what, 3 years now, 3.5 years now. Currently, I'm the director of implementation at CourseCREEK, and it's a pretty exciting role to be at. What I consider myself is the chief architect of any platform that is being, built for our clients, right? Any LMS platforms. When we say LMS, just for simple terms, it is learning management systems. So anyone, right? Anyone, any person, any agency, any enterprise, right, comes into CourseCREEK, right? And they want to sell their own courses, right? Not just want to sell their own courses, but sell it in a way where everything is premiumized, right? Everything we offer the premium products, and I oversee the development right from A to Z, from the phase of conception, right? Meeting with the client and discussing with them what their idea is, right? Putting it on paper, right? Giving their idea wings. That's what I call it. And then taking all of the details that our client has in their mind, or maybe our enterprise clients, they have in their mind. We take all of the details, put it into a requirements sheet, and then we build it out for them. This is a very simple overview of what we do, but there are a lot of, a lot of things, a lot of planning, a lot of buildings involved in that to make sure that what we are delivering to the client is a very high-end finished product, wherein our clients, once we deliver them the end product, right, they can just go in the market and start making sales, right, and stop trading their time for money. They have a website platform wherein they can sell their own products, right? So I oversee the entire process from A to Z and make sure that our clients gets the best possible technologically advanced platforms out there with their courses built inside it, along with the website, high converting copy, funnels, and everything that you need to start and scale a e-learning business.